Some people will ask how I got started doing personal injury. A little background about myself. My first job out of law school was insurance defense. What is insurance defense? It's defending cases when insurance companies hire you to defend cases. Our clients were companies or individuals who were getting sued, and plaintiff is the party seeking the money, okay? So I was on the other side, working for insurance companies, and I got quickly a lot of background in how much cases are worth. What is the least amount we can pay was my duty for working for the insurance company. How can we get out of the case? So I did that for about 3.5 to 4 years before going out on my own. As I went out on my own, I started taking plaintiff personal injury cases, working for those who are injured in accidents, and the experience that I had defending, working as an insurance defense attorney was valuable for me because I knew the other side of it. Investigation is of utmost importance, talking to the witnesses immediately. As far as like a case such as a car accident goes, or really any personal injury case, you're gonna get pressured by the insurance company right away to settle. Getting an attorney on the other side, obviously, that doesn't happen until a lawsuit occurs, but insurance companies will put the squeeze on you immediately, pressuring you to give a statement that will be used against you later, pressuring you to take some money that will not be on the table later, so they say. And it's important to get an attorney. You should always get an attorney. If you're actually hurt and you need a recovery, you should get an attorney, no question. There's a lot of law firms out there. Myself, it's a small firm, so you'll get the benefit of dealing with attorneys more versus just feeling like you're another number in a vast sea of car accident cases that the law firm has. We really like what we do. We're passionate about it. We'll file a lawsuit if necessary, if the value is not there in a potential settlement, client's behalf, to get the full value of the case. Talk to the client regularly, get them updates. That's one of the biggest complaints with clients, particularly personal injury clients, is I can't talk to my attorney. I haven't heard anything, right? So even if there is no update to give, we talk to the client, take their calls, and let them know, hey, nothing's happening. We're trying to get the medical records. We're trying to get insurance adjusters changed. And ultimately, it's a longer process than it should be sometimes. You want to be wary of the quick settlements, right? It's not necessarily that you're going to get paid right away, but we want to make sure that you get paid the full value of your claim, and there's no costs out of pocket to the client whatsoever in these cases. We only get attorney's fees if there's recovery, obviously, and the client doesn't come out of pocket for anything. And so that's an important thing to know. So if you're injured and you think that someone else might be at fault, a car accident, that's a pretty easy determination. If it's something else and you think someone else may be at fault for your injury, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Don't hesitate to, we'll talk to you quickly. We'll let you know if we think you have a case or you don't. Don't get fooled into talking to the insurance adjuster and giving statements thinking like, oh, well, the attorney fee is I'm gonna save myself the attorney fee if I just do this on my own. It's just not a recommended course of action. So call this number here and we'll get back to you promptly. And like I said, you can talk to an attorney pretty quickly. We're here to listen to your side of the story, figure out what happened, figure out if you have a case, and shed some light on your situation. And we look forward to hearing from you.